It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong and today magluluto naman tayo ng isa pang seafood recipe na surely ma-enjoy nyo. Kaya let's start cooking! This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. Kaya sisimulan natin yung first part ng ating recipe. Ito yung paglilinis natin ng ating shrimp. So, we're using medium shrimp. This is around 30 to 35 pieces to 1 kilo. And yung gagawin natin ay i-devein natin siya without having to peel the shrimp. So, we will just use a fork. Yan. No, you just pull out the vein. Yan. We trim off the legs of the shrimp. Yan. And we will marinate our shrimp. We will use a little salt, around a teaspoon of salt to 1/2 kilo of our shrimp. And hindi lang yung kakain nito yung may shot or tutungga ng alak, kundi pati na yung ating shrimp. Lalasingin din natin yung ating shrimp. So, we marinate it with 1/4 cup of white rum or gin or lambanog. Yan. So we let it sit for a few minutes. We just add a tablespoon of garlic and black pepper. UFC black pepper. Yan. So do not worry for people pag kumakain kayo nito. Do not worry na may alak siya. So the alak will give it a little bit of sweetness. And we just let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes and we continue with the batter. So for the batter, what we are using is, we're using all-purpose flour, a combination of all-purpose flour, and also rice flour. So hindi glutinous rice flour, regular rice flour. It will have a very nice crisp. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we will add cold water. So, the cold water is around 1/2 cup, but you don't have to put everything. You just have to mix and add as needed. So, what's very important, we have a batter that is able to coat our shrimp. So, let's try to mix everything together. Yan, that's good enough. We don't have to overmix this. So yan, no? Our shrimps are ready for frying. It's very important that you use a thick bottom pan, just like what I'm using, and you have a high sustained heat. I'm using my big burner, and I'm using Golden Fiesta canola oil. Why Golden Fiesta canola oil? Because canola oil has a higher burning temperature. So, nangyayari, when I fry it, hindi iitim yung piniprito ko at kaya mag-fry at a higher temperature na maging crispy talaga yung luto ko. Okay? And we drop the prawns one by one. Look at that. No? And let's be sure na hindi siya didikit with each other. So, yan, hindi natin lalagay lahat or else it won't be very crispy. So, I think that's good enough. That's half. Last one. Ayan. Look at that. Beautiful. And hindi pwedeng masyadong close yung ating mga hipon or else magdidikit-dikit sila. Dapat all throughout. Ganyan siya, kumukulo siya. Hindi siya pwedeng humina yung kulo niya. Ibig sabihin, bumaba na rin yung temperature. Yan. So, we're frying it until it becomes really crisp. So, kids don't have to worry because the alcohol is completely cooked out. Ang nakukuha natin yung flavor lang niya. But, otherwise, yung alcohol niya, wala na siya. Hindi na nakakalasing yung nilasing na hipon. Pero yung hipon natin, siguradong nalasing siya. Yan. And, look at that. Beautiful. Yan. So, I will, plate this and I will make a very easy salted egg dip for this shrimp. Yan. So, I'll make a very quick dip, salted egg dip. So, yung gagawin ko, I'm going to use 2 itlog na maalat. And I'm just gonna chop it up very finely. Chop lang natin siya. So, it's gonna be very delicious, no? Yung ating dip. It's good enough. I'll just get a bowl. Yan. Put it here. And I will have a little bit of minced garlic, around a tablespoon. And I will just mash that together. Once you're happy with the texture of the salted egg, we will just add 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. One tablespoon of Dato Puti vinegar. Yan, just to balance the flavors. Mix it together. And some spring onions. And we'll just add some freshly cracked black pepper. So, UFC also has whole peppercorns. Very easy to do, di ba? Sobrang bilis lang ating dip when you eat it with our shrimp. Super sarap nito. And we're done. Try this and you will enjoy it with your friends and family. Our nilasing na hipon with, of course, our salted egg dip. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.